Hi everyone, let's get creative with Altenew's Watercolor Wonders video hop. I'm Fiona Duff and I'm bringing you a simple watercolor card. I started this card by embossing the striped circle background stamp onto some watercolor paper with white embossing powder. Okay, now here is where the fun starts. Using the Lavender Fields watercolor pencil, I just scribbled onto the left-hand side of my paper. The white embossing will resist the watercolor and help with my design. I want to get a darker side to the left, then blending out to the white on the right. I'm not being particularly careful and I haven't used my pencils that much, so I'm learning as I go. I decided to go straight from the pencil onto my paper using my watercolor brush just to see what would happen, and I found that that was sort of like a smoother look that I was getting and able to blend. So also something to remember too is that watercolors will come back a lot paler when they dry, so don't be afraid to go over your work, get a nice layering effect, but make sure that you also give it a chance to dry. Now for some of my embellishments, I decided just to use the die cuts, not do any stamping at all, and just do some free-form colouring with the water pencils on the leaves. And this was done with Shadow Creek, and I really liked getting that organic look to the leaves. I did a couple of layers drying in between, and then as I was thinking about my actual construction of the card, I wanted it to join in with the other colours that I used, so I also just did a fine little tip with the Desert Night just to put a bit of that blue into the green of the leaf. Now I attacked the flowers in a different way. First of all, I thought, you should keep some gaps in between where you're doing your watercolouring so that they don't get mixed up and all those sorts of things. And then I suddenly realised, well, I want it all to be the same colour anyway, so I threw that out and just decided, right, let's just watercolour all the way around and dry in between. So what you will see is that I started off being very careful and then decided let's just keep with this easy technique, dry in between, put the colours in, and then I come along with the Desert Night and put just a tiny little bit of colour in there to combine the colours that I used on the base of the card. And then it was ready to be die cut out to go with the rest of my pieces. And here are all the elements that I used to create my card. I did add some splatter before putting it all together. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, as well as comment to be in the running for the giveaway that Altenew has for this hop. I've listed the next destination on the hop in the description block below. Bye!